Hello everyone. Welcome back to Enjoy Tech Innovation. Have you ever faced a situation where your laptop speakers suddenly stop working? Most people think they need expensive repairs or new speakers. But what if I told you that you can still enjoy great sound using an external speaker with a simple DIY modification? In today's video, I will show you how I installed a 3.5mm audio jack inside my HP Core i3 11th Gen laptop using the existing speaker connections. This project is easy, useful, and budget-friendly. So let's get started. First, I switched off the laptop completely and removed all the screws from the bottom cover using a Phillips screwdriver. There were around 12 screws in total. After removing them carefully, I gently opened the bottom cover without damaging any clips. Whenever you open a laptop, always keep the screws safely because every screw is important during reassembly. After opening the laptop, I inspected both internal speakers. Unfortunately, both speakers were damaged and were not working anymore. Normally, the next step would be to replace them with new speakers. But I didn't have replacement speakers available at that moment. Instead of waiting or spending money immediately, I thought of another solution. I decided to install a 3.5mm audio jack using the original speaker output. I identified the speaker wires and made the required electrical connections carefully. Friends, don't be afraid of learning electronics. Every successful DIY starts with curiosity. Even if you fail the first time, every attempt teaches you something new. Repairing instead of replacing not only saves money, but also reduces electronic waste. Small DIY projects like this help you build confidence for bigger electronics projects in the future. Remember, don't throw it away. Try to repair it first. Also share this video with your friends because one simple share can help someone repair their laptop instead of spending thousands on repairs. After checking all the connections twice, I fixed the audio jack securely inside the laptop. Now, whenever I connect an external speaker or headphones, the laptop sends audio directly through the new audio jack. This is a simple modification, but it makes the laptop usable again without replacing the damaged speakers. Always double-check the wiring before powering on the laptop to avoid any short circuits. Now comes the most exciting part. I connected an external speaker to the newly installed audio jack. Then I played some music. And guess what? It worked perfectly. The sound quality was clear and the laptop became useful again. If this video helped you or gave you a new idea, please hit the like button. It motivates me to create more practical DIY electronics videos for you every week. Subscribe to Angel Tech Innovation and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future DIY projects. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next DIY project.